Hi guys, I'm back again. Today I'm actually going to take my dog on a walk and I'm going to let her walk me. There she is, my little Cleopa. And we're going to let her walk me. So let's go. You probably won't see me from much of the video, you'll probably just see the dog, but oh well. Okay, I'm going to turn my camera onto her and you're going to enjoy. Go on Cleo, where do you want to go? Come on, walkies. Walkies. Which way are we going? That's it. That way. She's running. She got tired of something. Draggy, draggy, drag. Oh. Come on then. Oh, you want to sniff? Oh. Okay, so she's kind of got her normal trail going. So she's just taking herself on a walk. And I'm just following along behind. Oh, sniffy, sniff, sniff. Gail, where do you want to go? No, she wants to sniff at that. Oh well. Oh, we're going. No. I've got one indecisive dog. Sniffing something there. Oh, we're running. Oh, we're running. We're running. Running. Okay, I don't know where we're going. Oh, still running. Okay. You got it. Here. Get this. Okay, so it's school truck-out time. So hopefully she doesn't go towards the school. No, we're going the opposite way. Good. Good. Oh, we're going again. Okay. She's got loads of energy today. She's not normally running this way. She's taking this control thing a bit too far. I think we calm down a little bit. Oh my gosh, we haven't even gone far. She's always already took me tearing down the road. She's on a mission. She's literally dragging. Stay out of breath. I need to get my fitness up because this is ridiculous. But we seem to be heading the way we normally go on walks. I thought she might go somewhere different, seeing as she has the choice. But no. There is a few rules. Obviously, we're not going to walk into people's backyards, and obviously cross the road without me looking first, because that wouldn't be sensible. But she is a quite road-worthy dog, and I would let her off here because we're on a nice open field, so that I'd let her have a run. But a lot of school children, because I seem to have picked exactly school dropout time. We're just having a good sniff at the minute. Obviously not going to let her eat anything as well, because there was a dead bird just then. But she's definitely got sniffles or something. So guys, comment down below if you have any pets and what they're called, because I love my dog and I've got 2 cats. Yeah, you've probably seen them in some of the videos. One of them never really pops out, but so I'll wait to see if she gets past these school children, because I obviously don't want to get them in video. And yeah, and you obviously don't want to see her go to the toilet either. So we'll just see where she goes. She seems to be calming down a little bit and being sensible. Just a bit weird, but oh well. So we're going to keep walking for a little bit, and then I'll come back when we get somewhere. So guys, we're kind of stuck. She won't decide where to go. She's kind of like following me, asking her to take her off lead. But there's just too many people around at the moment to take her off lead. But we're kind of like stuck with her staring and not knowing where to go. So I thought she might do this at some point, but I wasn't expecting it to be this early in the walk. So she's literally sat on a walk, having a scratch. Like, who else's dog does that? Does anyone's? Comment down below if your dog does that. Guys, please subscribe to my video if you want to see more, because my channel is gonna be great. Still up and coming, but one day it's gonna be the star. No, I'm joking. I'm not that out myself, but guys, share some positivity and comment down below. I think this bit's getting quieter, so I'm going to let her off in a second. So we'll see where she goes then, because I'm not really up for this running malarkey. She's going crazy. Right, okay. We'll see where she goes. Girl, you want to go late? Yes? Go run! Okay, so normally when I let her up here, I have a ball with me, but I don't today, so she might just sit there still. And I know doing this will influence her, but yeah, she can't just stand there. Yes, baby girl. I feel like she's just following me. She's just following me. Oh, she's laying on the floor. Wookies! She smells something. Go on. Go on. Go. It's like I don't know where to go, Mummy. I don't know where to go, Mummy. Help me. I can't decide. Mummy, please help me. I don't know where to go for walkies. Can you take me walkies? I want to go walkies. Come take me walkies. It's like she's jumping up at me. She just stops and then she jumps. Take me walkies. She keeps scratching me. There she is. Go! Go! Okay, I might have to influence this dog because she's kind of not going anywhere. Right, go on! It's hard to try to watch the dog, but also make sure the camera's in the right place. Difficult. Okay, do you want to stay on this bit? Or should we go that way? That way? That way? see what she does on lead. Sit. Sit. Oh, give me both, good girl. Oh, you can't give me both. You can't give me both. Right. Sit. Sit. Right. Let's get walkies. Come on. Go on. Okay, we're walking towards the bush at the moment, so hopefully she turns. I'm already out of breath. Comment down below how long a walk your dogs get, and if you do the walk, because if you're children and you don't do walkies, start doing them, they're actually fun, and get your exercise in. Makes mummy and daddy's life easier. Come on. Okay, we seem to be strolling again in really random places. She just keeps stopping, sniffing, walking a little bit, stopping, sniffing. So I don't think we're actually going to get far. And hopefully we get home. Fingers crossed. Because you never know, she might not take us home. She might go somewhere else and decide she doesn't want to live with us anymore. I'm joking, I wouldn't let that happen. And I think she loves me too much. I hope she does anyway. I'm still recording with my phone because I've ordered a video camera, but it hasn't got here yet, so phone it is. Hence the flimsy phone case that kind of gets in the shot sometimes. So we do seem to be getting somewhere. We haven't left this big field yet. This is actually a cricket pitch. Is it just cricket? Yeah, it's cricket. And you've got the cricket wickets behind me. So, don't know. Yeah, we're getting somewhere. I don't know where. We seem to be going somewhere. I'm not sure if I'm influencing her by following her, or if she is actually taking me somewhere. I really don't know. So I'll come back when we get somewhere. So guys, we haven't really got any far, very far. We kind of look like we're in the exact same space, but we're not. We're right next to the play park. We've walked a bit further. Kind of had to encourage her because she kind of seems like she wants to just walk back or walk around in circles. So I'm actually trying to see if she goes somewhere where there's some stuff that I can jump over, do like some doggy parkour because she loves doing it. But there's just too many people around. And you know when you get those like dirty looks from people, like you're doing something wrong. I'm not doing anything wrong. Just trying to let my dog do some jumping because she loves it. Obviously not making jumps out of things that shouldn't be, because I'm not naughty. I'm a good girl. So we'll see where she goes. We're kind of in a place where actually we might be able to do something. I would take her and let her jump over the fence to the park, but no dogs allowed, so I wouldn't be doing that. So we're kind of going around in circles actually again. I ditched her behind. They kind of changed everything around. Come on. She's coming. No, I don't know. I don't know where to go. She is. Wait. Oh, we're walking around in circles. Behind me. Go. Oh, we want to sniff something. We want to sniff. I'll catch you back when I find somewhere to do some doggy parkour. Doggy parkour! We're going to start this side. Should we jump again? isn't the best spot. She keeps stopping and just standing on the table. She's kind of just taking me to really random spots in the same place. So I'm not really getting anywhere. So hopefully we'll start heading back, because we've been out like ages, and she's just kind of walking along this area where there's a load of benches. I'll show you. The wind's blowing. Well, when I say a load, there's only like 3, but you know, may as well get to jump as we're walking past. Oh. We'll excite her up a little. Get the foot. Yeah. Okay, that was really rubbish camera skills. And she seems to be walking back this way. So we'll see if she turns around and we can go back over it. Oh. Okay. Turning around. Ah. She keeps going out my shot. Come on. These ones are really rubbish. If you want one, I'll show you this next bench. It's one of like the sitting ones with the high backs on it. It'll be a much better jump for her to do because it's kind of more her height. She used to do this all the time. Let's see if she'll do it again. Go. Up. Up. Go. Okay, that wasn't as good as she used to do. But we are on this little hill. So she's kind of got to get her. Woo! Sorry, she got distracted by the wind then. Go. That one was better, but I got a rubbish video of it. So we look to be heading home. So I think we've had a good walk, and hopefully we'll get home before the wind gets too much. She seems to have stopped and started sniffing something. So yeah, I don't know how well the sound is going to be on this video because it is actually really windy out here. It doesn't look that much on my hair at the moment because it just seems to. Every time I say it's really windy, it seems to be okay. So it looks like I'm lying. But you can see my hair's moving a little bit. But yeah, we seem to be heading home. We're back in this. Actually, I'm going to let her off. We're back on this first field we started on. And she's having a nice little run around. Yeah, don't go near that one. So, back gardens. She's good at them. She still thinks I have a ball with me, but I really don't. You can see, she's running too fast. Little black dot in the background, that's her. Yeah, I think we've had a pretty good walk. Unlike me, she's not tired. She's never bloody tired. Kyo, don't roll in stuff. Kyo, no. Okay, she's just decided to roll in something that probably smells really nice to her, but it's probably fox poo or something, which is really horrible to clean up. Oh, no, even worse, it's a dead bird. That's disgusting. 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 She's gonna like bounce around me now. Don't touch me. You got a dead bird on you. Dead bird. Yucky. So, she's going for a bath after this. Go. No. Come here. She's really winding me up now. She's like, I'm going to tease you because I know you're being naughty. Okay, so I think I'll stop the video now. Actually, we'll get home, see if we make it. Come on. See where she takes me. She's really not wanting to go home. She's just running around in circles. This crazy dog with loads of energy. Don't do that. Cleo, don't go on the road. Come. So this is quite a safe area to take your dog for a walk anyway. So I do trust her quite a bit off lead. I know it's a lot better without the children running around. So we are actually around the corner from home, so hopefully we do make it there. Okay, which way are you going? So yeah, we've kind of got, we actually didn't go that far. We went on a few grassy areas and didn't really get past them, and now we're heading home. So yeah, at least I haven't had to walk miles, so I suppose that's a benefit. She knows where she wants to go and she knows when she wants to go home, and she knows that if she's a good girl she gets a treat when she gets home. So actually might do this again sometime, just take her for a nice walk and let her choose. She might go somewhere different. I think that's where my parents always take her. So anyway, enough of me blabbering on. Please like this video if you like it, subscribe to my channel down below, and hit the bell for notifications of my next videos. And guys, just enjoy life. Walk your dogs. Get out. No. Walk your dogs. Enjoy. And just make the most of everything. We don't need to waste our life on menial things. We just need to, Cleo, live our life like my dog's deciding to do right now. Which way are you going? So that's me signing out. Comment down below if you have any pets and what they're called. And goodbye.